Do not get ripped off by the car rental company. If you want to know more on to save money and not get ripped off by the car rental company, stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Travel Tip Wednesday. I'm your host, Steven. If you want to know more tips and tricks on saving yourself money and getting the best out of your trips, you can subscribe to my channel. And normally every week, I will give you some insights and tools on how to save money. So today we are actually going to talk about car rentals. Car rentals are actually one of the best things to enjoy while we are actually on vacation, because 9 out of 10 times these cars are brand spanking new. And who doesn't love driving a brand new car? And most of the time these major car rental company like Avis, Hertz, National Car Rentals, they're pretty much in the business to make money. 99% of the time they will do whatever it takes they could take many of your hard-earned cash away from you. But today I'm actually going to teach you some tricks how to save some money. Tip number 1, search around. Searching around for a car rental or any type of rental, it could actually save you some money. And normally prices fluctuate day per day or week per week, and of course from company to company. And normally when you're shopping around, you could have a great chance to get the best deal. But there's actually better deals out there if you actually are a member of certain credit card companies. Some credit card companies may give you 35% of the base rate of any rental. For example, I am a Discover card holder. Many times they offer me 35% off or a free upgrade to a next level of the class. That is a good way to save some money. Another one is through airline miles. I know American Airlines, through the Advantage program, you could save yourself a good 25-30% off through the base price of a rental. Another tip is if you could rent a car outside the airport, you could actually save a whole bunch more. Normally when you rent a car in the airport, the car rental companies, they have to charge you a airport surcharge fees. Normally the airport makes their money through that, and it's a hefty fee. So if you could actually reserve a car off airport, chances are you're probably gonna save maybe $60 to $100 or even more depending on the location. Another tip is normally each additional driver, it will cost you somewhere around $25 to $30 extra per day if there's actually an extra driver, to be honest. So normally make sure you talk to the car rental company if there are any extra charges just to adding a extra driver. The car rental company, if they could give you a leeway if you go add someone else without getting charged extra, and if not, just be the only driver throughout the entire trip. And this is one of the most trickiest, to me it's one of the biggest scams there is in the car rental business, adding insurance. Normally there's so many types of insurance. Normally they cost somewhere between $30 to $40 per day or $15 per day, depending on which coverage there is. If you want to save yourself paying $35 to $50 from adding insurance, ask your credit card company to see if they actually provide car insurance. Normally the basic one, collision avoidance. Credit card companies, normally they have these car insurance, so you don't have to buy an insurance while you're booking for a car. Also, as well, if you have a car insurance, your personal car insurance back home, many of the time your personal car insurance cover an insurance for renting a car. So ask your car insurance company to see if actually you are covered for renting cars. When you're actually traveling, you could save yourself a good $200-300 maybe or more per trip if you actually have these insurance through your credit card or through your car insurance. And this is another tip I could tell you: do not allow the car rental company to know where you're actually staying, especially if you don't purchase an insurance. I heard stories, I'm not sure if this rumor is true or not. If it's true, please comment down below and let us know. Normally, if you don't purchase an insurance policy, this is what I heard: the car rental company has someone out there trying to damage your car, either by slashing your car tires, scraping the side of the car, breaking into your vehicle, or sometime even worse, they actually create an accident so you could actually pay for damage repair or whatever. I'm not sure if this is true, but I read reports that these are something that actually occur, especially in South Florida. I know South Florida is huge with scams, insurance frauds, where they actually have people out there and they just like intentionally create a car accident so they could actually sue you and they could actually collect claims. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, no wonder car insurance is so expensive down in South Florida. Another tip to save money is avoid those automatic refills. Normally when you add that automatic refill, when you're actually making reservation, when you return the vehicle to the location, normally they will actually fill it up for you based on the price. But normally if you're using half a tank or it's 3/4 of a tank full, they're gonna charge you, I say, full tank of gas. I mean, it is ridiculous. That's how they make their money and scamming you. And sometimes, for example, the last time I went, I was in South Florida. I returned the car because I was just 45 minutes away from my flight. I was quite late. And I returned my car. I fill up the gas before returning, and I went to the terminal, check in, etc. Got to my gate, and I saw my receipt. They charged me $15 extra. I mean, why they charged me $15 extra if I didn't have the refillable gas option? These are some of the tips that I have for you in order to save some money on renting cars. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video. We want to comment down below if there's any tips on renting cars, or if there's any other tips do you want me to make a video on. Just let me know. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and until next time, safe travels.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding